Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to add certificates and diplomas to your LinkedIn profile. The first thing you have to do is, using the browser you prefer, type in www.linkedin.com to head over to the website. Now once you're there, you sign in with your credentials. When you sign in as well, I'm going to sign in. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the me icon at the top here. Then you tap on view profile. It opens up this part where you get to see your profile, and then you can add. Go all the way down. You want to add diploma, certificate, so you see this place of licenses and certification. So you tap on the plus icon to add a new certificate or diploma. The next thing you do is this form, online form, we open up. You have to fill it in and tap on save. Now the first field there to fill in is for the name of the license or certification or diploma you got. So let's say the diploma here is Microsoft Certified Network Associate Security. That's the name of the diploma or the certificate for this particular one. So you put in the name of the certificate. After that, you write the name of the issuing organization, where it gets certificate from. What is the name of the organization that gave you the certificate? So you have to put that in. Very important, that's why it's asterisk. Then the next one, the issue date. Which month were you given the certificate or the diploma? So you put it in here, you choose the month, you have between January to December, and then which year, you have to put in the year. So you put in the year we're giving the certificate or the diploma. Then the next thing is expiration date. If there is any expiration date for the license, there will be a certificate for license. But what about certification? Most certifications don't have expiry date, but in case it does, you put it in here, the month and the year of expiration of the certificate. And the next thing we'll have the credential ID. Now the certificate or diploma must have an ID, so put it in here. Then we have the credential URL, so you'll be able to see it online, so you put that in also. And once you're done with that, we have skills. So you have to associate at least one skill to this certificate or diploma. It will also appear in your skills section. Now you tap on add skill and you type in the skill. For example, project manager. Due to the skill you achieved by getting the certification, you certified to become a what? You got to become a project manager, you put it in there. Diploma in what? Whatever it is, you put it in there. It's as simple as that. The next step we have, which is the last step, is media. Now under this media, you have to add images, documents, sites, or presentations. Now what this means is that you need pictures, proof that you got a certificate. Either a picture of yourself receiving a certificate, picture of yourself using a diploma, or a picture of the place. Maybe you're taking pictures in front of the place or something. You must have pictures. It's a great occasion, so you must have pictures or documents. You can decide to upload a document saying that you're certified. Please make sure you're careful by security reasons. Do not allow it to be too easy to steal or copy, so protect your privacy too. Anyway, copy identity theft and the rest of them. A lot of people online looking for, Anyway, you put in your images, documents, the sites, or the presentation. So now you need to learn more about the media file type supported. So let's click on media file type supported. So as you can see, when you want to display media samples, make sure the following, these are the files that are supported. So make sure that they're in this file format: PDF for .pdf, PowerPoint, so .ppt or .pptx, then .doc or .docs from Microsoft, .jpeg or .jpg, .png for the pictures, and .gif. This does not support animation. However, the first frame will be extracted. If you say the GIF, only the first frame that will be extracted. And note that the file size of your media must not exceed 100 megabytes, and the page limit for whatever documentation you send is 300 pages. The word count is 1 million, and then the documents cannot be uploaded from your mobile devices. It must be from a computer. Then the maximum resolution for the images is 120 megapixels. So that's it. Now, the project URL field is not available for newly added projects, but if you want to add a link to the project section, click on tab Add Media, then select Add a Link. So that's it. That is how to, let's go back. Yep, let's go back. So we're here. I want you to with all this, click on Save. Now, make sure the paths that are indicated with the asterisks are all filled up, or filled in this case. So that is how to add certificates and diplomas to LinkedIn profile. If you have more than 1 certificate or 1 diploma, you can do this multiple times. It's not a problem. Just follow the steps, step by step. Hope you found this video helpful on how to add certificates and diplomas to your LinkedIn profile. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more helpful tips and tricks like this, which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye for now.